Hello everyone, Energetica India is at Intersolar Gujarat 2026. We are joined by Dr. Rakesh Tiwari, CEO Renewable Energy, D-Dev Plastics. Hello sir, how are you feeling today?
I'm good. Yeah, thank you so much. Akan is Akan ki, yeah. Thank you so much.
Sir, storage is the highlight of this year's Solar Expo. So why do you think energy storage has become the industry's biggest talking point?
Yeah, as you know that storage is why we need a storage. First, we need to understand why we need a storage. Storage in terms of battery energy storage system and other storage system. If we are talking about storage, so you know that the solar and thermal. The problem is every people are facing the grid stability. Grid is unstable, not only in India, across the world. So we have limited capabilities. So to stable the grid, storage in energy storage systems required is not only in India, across the global. So global demand is increasing day by day to fulfill requirement for the grid stabilities. And why not? We can expand the business model to generate the power in the night. In the solar, with the solar and even other energy, is like example like a solar. We can have the sun, lot of solar energy generating the unit in the day, but around the 30 to 40% solar energy wasted in the day because the grid is not capable to handle this entire the unit. So where the energy storage systems is required and mandatory. So we can store energy storage. We can store any energies in the day, and we can discharge the systems, and we can use the entire energy in the night. So from between 6 to 10 p.m. is the most of the energy is requirement in India with a high value of amount. So where we can help is not only government of India, we can help the people who want to establish the business and why they will pay more energy, even option is there. So if we are calculating about solar plus base around 4 to 5 rupees per unit, they can get in the night also. Even they are buying the energy at the 10 to 15 rupees. So even house also, if you are looking for energy storage system, you can keep BSS at house. In the night you can get the free energy with very less as compared to whatever you are going to buy from the grid sources. So that's why we launch our 5 gigawatt energy storage system in India. We are going to establish our factory in Ahmedabad. Yeah, over to you, Akanki. If you have any question, please go ahead.
Yeah. So you just mentioned about a product. So tell us about that product and also a brief about the company in a nutshell.
So, as you know that our company is Dev Plastic Industry Limited. Our company is listed company based in Calcutta head office, and we have multiple factory in Silvassa, Daman, and Calcutta, and Bhiwari itself. So we are basically compound manufacturing, XLP compound manufacturing, and our directors, Mr. Dev Surana, and our chairman, Mr. Narendra Surana, they have vision. They thought, why not we can have enter in the renewable energy sector. So in the renewable energy sectors, they decided to enter in energy storage system after careful consideration and study that which sector is demandable and which sector can help the green energy as well as government of India. So we decided let us enter in the renewable energy sector with the solar plus BSS with the wind, CNI, EPC, as well as in future IPP also. So we started to discuss. Let us start with the BSS manufacturing. So we are going to start our manufacturing in Ahmedabad with a capacity of 5 gigawatt hour. So annual our capacity is 5 gigawatt hour. It means at a daily we can manufacture 20 megawatt hour container per day. So 5 megawatt hour container, 4 container we can make it daily. So our capacity and capabilities we do not have any doubt. We are going to make a world-class battery energy storage system. Our infra will be is like a world-class. If any customer will visit our factory, they will feel that they are visiting is the world-class company where we are not going to only manufacturer. Every testings, every reliability in house we are doing in house. Every equipment before going to customer, we will check each and every parameter based on the international standard. So we had a certificate, and we are going to apply the world class certificate like UL 9540 9540A. So we are not only dispatching the container, we are making the container with existing all the certification standard and technical. So that's why they have the unique USP that we are not discussing about the quality, we are implementing the quality. We are not discussing about the certification, we are equally implementing the standard. We are not discussing about the ISO, we are going to implementing ISO 9000, 14000, 80000, implementing the actual thing inside the factory. So anyone across the world, if anyone want to visit across the world, they can visit our field. They feel that this company is not working on the paper, they are doing the actual thing at the ground. Whatever they are mentioning in the literature, whatever mentioning in the standard. So based on that, we are not showing that we are going to become a number one world, but from first day we are trying to become a number one in terms of quality, in terms of technology. Yeah, in future we also target the volume, but our main focus is we are targeting and trying, and we will do 100% best and standard quality product from beginning of August 2026. Thank you.
Also, sir, what key designs are you considering to cope with the challenges of the utility and CNI segment?
Actually, in terms of utility sectors, there are a lot of challenges that people are facing with the grid, because the grid itself is unstable, and the container where they are going to use the container, where the solar, wind and others the other system is already integrated. So a lot of challenges is there, which we need to address one by one. But the government of India is also minimize the risk of mitigation for utility scale sector. So every year they are launching for around 20 to 25 gigawatt solar plus battery energy storage system. So government is protecting their things, whatever they are think that they are minimize this utility scale, like they have the grid, they are working on that. We are going to support them. If you have some reduce the things, we are helping their support to for a container establishment there. So we will face the challenges, because you know that for utility scale sectors, ground level we need to prepare. We are totally depend on the IPP developer. They have to maintain the ground levels. EPC developer have to buy all this project as a project 1, 2, 3, 4 civils, electrical, infrastructure. They have to maintain there as a ground level. So once they will complete this ground level, that they need to be supplied the container level. So most of the major challenges is our EPCs and IPP developer, where they are facing some challenges with the government side. But the time will come where the risk of the mitigation will be reduced, and we can easily supply to container on the ground level, where our container will work as per the customer requirement. So we are thinking, and CNI level, yes, for CNI level we are not facing too much difficulties at a moment. A lot of customers come to us and they are discussing about the CNI model, and we are ready to help them CNI level at the beginning of the 2026 August onwards.
Last May, sir, how do you see the solar plus storage market evolving in the next few years in India?
I think so. If we are talking about the amount, solar plus base market is more than around 5.4 lakh crore rupees till 2030. So it's a very big amount. It's not like it's like more than $10 billion market will be evolving solar plus base. So solar plus base is a booming market, where BSS will be mandatory. Now currently, if you see this, most of the tender is coming with a solar plus base. you cannot see the tender only solar alone. So even in the Rajasthan, you can see this 5% base is mandatory. Is as per Rajasthan government, and maybe they already announced for 10%. So in India, if you are talking about India, BSS will not only requirement, that will be going to mandatory with the solar. So you can see this where the market is going now.
We hope that solar will evolve enough in the future, and we wish D-Dev a lot of luck, and may you keep on growing and shining. All the best for that.
Thank you so much, Akanki. Thank you so much. Thank you. Nice talk to you. Thank you.